Welcome back, folks, to Outdoors with Mike. Another video for you. Cooking. Avril's cooking is educational to me. All right. We're gonna cook salmon. Look at that salmon. Oh, it's delicious. From the local store. There's our salmon. We're gonna cook salmon today. How to cook salmon in this video. And the products are lemon and herbs. And dash. Lemon pepper. And we got 3 lemons to squeeze on there for the juice. Lemon taste. And our tin foil. And salted butter.
We're not going to squeeze
it.
We're going to slice them and put slices on it.
Oh, okay, yeah. Avril will teach us. Yeah. Right there's our salmon again. Oh, it'll be delicious. Mmm.
Preheat your oven.
Yeah, preheat your oven. How much?
375.
375. That's what we usually use. There's the tin foil. So we're gonna just like cooking fish. We're gonna cook in there with all our peppers, and then we'll enjoy it when it's done. Yeah. How to cook salmon.
Okay.
It's very healthy for you.
I preheated it.
Yeah. Oven's preheated. Yeah. Let's continue on. Let's get back into the YouTube rhythm. All right.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, continuing on. Avril defrosted the salmon. Yeah, defrost. It's already done. Look right there. We got a salmon, folks. Oh, it's gonna be delicious, healthy. A little frozen here. Perfect. Kind of frozen soft. Yeah. We'll get the peppers on, the seasoning on, and we'll put it in the oven. Yeah. Cooking with Avril style. Okay, folks, we got our tin foil cut. Shiny side down, Avril said. So we put that shiny side down, and we'll get our lemons cut. We'll cut off the ends, and we'll cut it on the thin. Right there, look. Right there's our lemon. Don't watch it. Don't cut yourself. We might use 3 or 2. We're thinking 2 will do it.
2 will do it.
Yeah. We'll get this cut up, folks.
Okay.
Okay, Avril doesn't like how I cut them. She said I cut them too thin. A little thicker.
A little thicker.
I cut it.
Okay, you put the salmon.
Cut it how you prefer. Yeah. Avril's gonna put on the salmon.
Your salmon is fragile.
Yeah. Ooh. She doesn't want to ruin it, wreck it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, pause.
Okay, continuing on. Avril got on the tin foil. Yeah, just go like that, Avril.
I'm just gonna put it on there like this.
Yeah, only like that?
Yeah.
It'll melt, eh?
It'll melt all over, yeah.
Okay.
Should be good. And then we're gonna.
Can you melt it and put it on there like that?
Yeah, but it's gonna melt on there. It's gonna all melt in the lemon pepper.
Yeah. You can put some in your hand and put it in your mouth. Taste it.
Mmm, tastes like
tastes
lemon.
good. Yeah.
Tastes like a lemon.
There's our lemon, folks.
And then we're gonna put lemon and herbs. This stuff is good, especially for salmon. So good.
Oh yeah. The butter will melt and it'll be so delicious.
Lots of seasoning.
And right there, look, folks, the lemon.
We're just gonna put that all over.
Yeah.
Like this, just all over.
Wow.
Micheal.
Yeah, lemon's going on, folks. Salmon, oh, it's gonna be delicious. Very healthy for you.
Yeah.
Your energy will swim like a salmon.
I always need iron, so salmon is good. See? And then we're gonna wrap it up.
Okay.
Wrap it up, Micheal.
Okay. Whoa. Throw it like fish. Fish or like fish.
Wait. It's falling like this thing. I want to. Perfect.
Oh yeah.
There?
Yeah.
There. Now.
Down in the center?
I got it.
Yeah. Oh. I'll eat the tail.
No, I will. What? I always eat the tail. Because you want all your herbs to fall out.
Oh,
And
yeah.
make like a little pocket here. You want all
Yeah,
your
it's ready to go, folks. Oh, it'll be very delicious. Yeah.
About half, pop that in the oven.
Okay, and it goes, folks.
About half an hour.
Preheat it. 375. All right, about half an hour. All right, folks, the salmon's coming along. We're gonna check it. It's been 20 minutes. We're gonna do a salmon check.
Salmon check. Wait, don't look it.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
Whoa, look at that juices. Look, it's falling off right there.
How
There you
long?
go.
How can you tell?
Let's see, I'll try one.
Almost,
Good.
I think, yeah? Maybe 10 more minutes?
Yeah, I'll try it. Oh. Oh, it tastes good. I can taste the lemons.
Maybe 10 more
10 more
minutes.
minutes. Half an hour altogether.
Yeah, 10 more minutes.
Kind of little frozen in here. Yeah. Mostly thawed out.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah. 10 more minutes. 30 minutes altogether, folks. It'll be done. All right, folks. It's been there how many minutes? 40 minutes? You don't want to dry your... Oh, look at that grease. That butter. It will turn it around. Let's try it, folks. It'll be delicious. Wow, fresh out of the oven. Wow.
Ooh. I didn't
Oh,
turn
look,
it around.
it's fall. We didn't even have to skin it. Whoa, perfect.
Why is it upside down?
Oh, so I can pull the skin off like that.
Oh.
It's awesome. Yeah. See, now. Yeah.
But you can't
Then
do-
we
yeah,
can.
then
Oh,
flip it over again.
okay. Maybe I got it wrong.
Oh, sorry.
Don't worry about the mess, folks. You ain't cooking if you didn't make a mess.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, look at her.
Okay.
Whoa.
So put some rice.
I
On your
can taste
plate.
it.
Make like a better rice. Put some on your rice. too.
Yeah.
Like this.
All right. Look at that, folks. Whoa. Salmon. Oh, it does really look good. Look at that, folks. Look. That. Wow. I'll get that cleaned up and we'll try a little bit, folks. Right there. All right. See you at the table. Okay. Okay, folks. Just trying to get back into the YouTube rhythm. Right there it is. Sorry about pulling it out. I did it kind of wrong. But oh well. Food's food. Yeah, salmon's real delicious. Just getting back into it. Trying to make you education videos. Right there, folks. Avril made it good. The plate. That's how the proper way to make your plate.
That's like the best.
Not like me. Yeah, right there. Oh, I should copy her. Look, very educational. Yeah. Okay. All right, folks. We'll try the meal. Look. Right there's the rice. We'll try that first with that lemon juices. Thank you, Avril. And that salmon. Oh, salmon does really taste good.
No, I don't need lemon juice. Looks like this is good.
Yeah. It's good. What? I don't even need salt. It tastes a little good too with salt. I want to try this lemon.
This is good.
Salmon. It's good. Salmon and rice right there.
Good.
Healthy for you. A lot of flavors in this.
Doesn't even taste healthy.
Yeah.
I like lemon.
All right, folks. Here's the last bite for you. Salmon and rice with all that lemon juice. You could put lemon. Do it proper, not like me.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. As long as this video is educational, it's a win. Please like, share, and subscribe to Outdoors with Mike. Thank you. Bye for now. And we got 3 lemons to squeeze on there for the juice. Lemon taste.
Someone put slices on it.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah. Avril will teach us. Yeah. Right there's our salmon again. Oh, it'll be delicious.